Hi everyone, Vincenzo here bringing you another tutorial for a ukulele duet. This week, let's learn how to play Enjoy the Silence by Depeche Mode. First of all, let's have a look at the chords that we need for this one. So they are C minor, E flat minor, E flat major, F minor, A flat and B. Yes, these are not the easiest chords to play, but if you want to improve your playing, these are the chords to learn. So let's have a look at the chord shapes. Of course, if you already know them, simply skip this part. So, C minor, E flat minor, E flat major, F minor, A flat major. However, I prefer play it like this. It's like G major, one fret down, but make sure you don't play this string. And then we have B major. Let's start working on the strumming pattern for the verse. So it goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, down. One more time: 3, 4, down, down, up, down. This is the chord progression. C minor and E flat minor last for 4 beats, A flat for 8. Let's follow it using the strumming pattern you've just learned. 3, 4, C minor, E flat minor, A flat, again A flat, C minor, E flat minor, A flat, again A flat. Now let's work on the strumming pattern for the chorus. Remember, it's boring to play the same strumming pattern all the time. This is why we're working on a second one. So the strumming pattern goes like this: 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. One more time: 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. This is a really good strumming pattern to learn, as it can be used for many other songs. So let's say it one more time: 3, 4, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. This is the chord progression for the chorus. Each chord will last for 4 beats, apart from B, which will last for 8. Let's follow it using the new strumming pattern: 3, 4, F minor, A flat, C minor, E flat, F minor, A flat, C minor, and B. I really like when they play B. Then we have the instrumental part. For this part, you can play the same strumming pattern you used for the verse. To be 100% honest with you, I would have preferred showing you something slightly different, but I didn't want to make this tutorial too long. Anyway, if you would have liked to see a different strumming pattern for this part, let me know in the comments. So, this is the chord progression. Let me play it for you. 3, 4, C minor, E flat major, C minor, E flat major. Let me play the entire chords part so that you understand better how it works. 3, 4, C minor, E flat minor, A flat, C minor, E flat minor, A flat. Chorus: F minor, A flat, C minor, E flat, F minor, A flat, C minor, and B. C minor, E flat, C minor, E flat, C minor, E flat, C minor, E flat. Now let's have a play along of the chords part with the melody in the background. chords part, let's work on the melody now. So we start from the verse. It goes like this. So you start from fret number 3 on the second string, then 3, 4, 3, 2, 2, 4 and 2. One more time, 3, 4, 1. For the right hand, I'm using the middle finger for the first string, the index on the second one, and the thumb for the third and the fourth one. I'm gonna be doing this throughout the entire tutorial. You carry on and it goes like this. 3, 3, 1, 3, 3. Again, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3. This is repeated twice. Let's play it. 3, 4, 1. Pro tip, if you want, you can add a hammer on like this. Now let's put together what we learned so far. Don't forget to repeat this twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Again. Then you get to the chorus. This is bar 9 if you're following from the top. And you play fret number 4 4 times, then 1 and back to 4. So again. Then fret number 3 for 4 times, 1 and 3. Again. We carry on and we have 3, 3, 3, 4, 3. All together, 3, 4, 1. Now you play similar notes but with a slightly different tempo. So we have 4, 4, 1 and 4, then 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 1, 3. All together, 3, 4, 1. Let's do this one more time. 3, 4, 1. Let's play the entire chorus. 3, 4, 1. Let's end this with the famous instrumental, that is also the intro by the way. This is bar 18 on the tab. By the way, if you want, in your arrangement, you could play the chorus again after this part. So, it goes like this. 3, 3, 3, 5, skipping strings, then 3, 6, 3, 3. One more time. Then you carry on and you have everything on fret 3. So, one more time. Now let's put these two together and remember this is played twice. 3, 4, 1. Again. Now let's play the entire arrangement and remember to practice this with a metronome or even better with a backing track. 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. Once you feel confident with it, practice with the play-along version that's gonna start right now. On my Patreon page, you can find the tab, the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing Enjoy the Silence. You have the MP3 where I play the chords and the one where I play the melody. You also have two backing tracks, one at the original tempo and one slower to help you practice. This arrangement works very well for a ukulele duet, so learn both parts and put it together, or even better, play it with another ukulele friend. You could even use one of my backing tracks and collaborate with me. If you like the video versions, simply get in touch. That's all for now. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn Enjoy the Silence. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next week. Ciao!